Yes, we are live. Okay, guys, welcome to the stream. Let's see what we have going on now, innit? We got news today. I think news is at 7:30 today. Honestly, yeah. It's just 7:30 or 7:15. Okay, so news is in 4 minutes actually. Mad. And see, the bias for the day is actually bullish. So, yeah, we do have some stuff to look out for. Within the daily fair value gap, we respected it. And we have this demand, M15 demand. RIFC as well. Mark that out. Fair value gap between news release, maybe potentially looking to run these lows to go down into the area. So we would have to wait and see how the data release comes out within 3 minutos. 3 minutos. So yeah, I have to wait and see what Memento was looking at for today 9 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm GU, so he's looking to go long. Okay. Swept, Asia low, change of character, demand zone. Maybe he's gonna enter from there. But yeah. Yeah, man. This trade on NQ, I didn't take it, unfortunately. Didn't get to take the trade. But it wouldn't have ATP, but it's close, you know? It's close to take profit. It's very close. That's what we can say. Need to change the thumbnail. Didn't even realize. I have to go into studio. See if we can change it in studio. Live. There we go. Okay. Back to you in tube. Should be better now. Yeah. This is us. News release is a minute away. Having a bullish bias as well. So let's see if we get the sweep that we want to see. 1 minute away, bro. Indeed, run below into these areas that should be ideal to go long. But I want to see the run below for us to then run up to fill these imbalance. Here we go. Data release. It came more positive or negative. Let's check. Yeah, man. Negative. Informal employment change. It's bad. We have another news at 7:30. Okay, news release on no real movement, as far as you can see. We just got a little indecisive candle rejecting the area, that's all. Let's just mark up the let's just mark our midnight open, daily open. Let's get it cracking, bro. Not the investing up here, get me. But yeah. Midnight and daily. All we need. Open high, low, and close. That's all we need, bro. Honestly. Daily open. So we're above both these. Just at the daily means daily candle is a little bit bearish. I do expect both of these to be bearish. To be bullish on the day, I should say. Didn't mark up the day yesterday because I fell asleep, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to do that another day, which is either gonna be today. Yeah, man, I was just yesterday, my head was hurting, everything was just, yeah. It was just a bad day in the office. Welcome to who's watching. Good morning. Thanks for tuning in. The daily open. Let's mark the midnight open as well. Why all of these bearish candles? I don't get it, bro. Okay, there we are. Both of them are marked out now. Yeah. We have news coming out again soon. So, yeah. Just wait and see. Okay. Let's just check out the discords. Nothing much going on in the discords. Let's see what we have. Starting with GU. We see a run below. Asia low taken. After that, what do we have? Got a change of character. Right in London session, we gave an inducement because buyers are gonna see Asia low sweep, change of character, London open, inducement, taking them out. Oh, a valid inducement because we got the reaction that we wanted. Inducement led to new highs. This was the last one. Change of character again. Actually above. Come on, change of character above. Buyers are gonna look to enter right here. I wanna see this low being taken out. M1 demand. Possible smart money trap. We came to the decisional. He tapped it. Buyers enter. Maybe. Got a reaction. This liquidity sweep or relative equalize. More for liquidity sweep. Especially with the news release. So yeah, especially with the news release. But did he run it? Doesn't even look like he ran it, bro. Relative equalize, I'd say. Equalize. Oh, yeah. So this is what we have so far. So London running below, doing the inducement, creating the low of the day. Also giving a bullish reaction, creating the high of the day. And we are now within the range. Safe to say we are bearish. Why? Because this is the low, shifted. And let's use the last down candle. It would be this one. Last up candle. So we expected the supply. Breaking the low. Right there. And then here we created equalize, which is going to be a target for us in the future. But this is really what we did. We came back and mitigate the supply that caused the break below. So safe to say that we have bearish order flow being generated now, being expected. To then later be targeted because we're now targeting the bullish order flow that we've been created that generated the sell side liquidity. So yeah, my bias is bearish on the day. It's bullish on the day. So it's either going to be a sweep of this low to go down in these prices or we're going to run up to this. That's my take. Where we are on the weekly. On the weekly, we are bullish. Safe to say you took out the previous week high and then we're reacting bearish from there. Daily change of character, daily, bearish on the daily, lower high, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, sort of a high high, and you get me. That's the thing. So where do I see we going? I want to see this high being taken, and if we're gonna continue bullish, you need to take that one. 2 more days. Weekly candle is bearish. It's just about where we close. News coming again in 4 minutes, so let's see what this news bring to the table. This trade was missed yesterday, unfortunately. It's but yeah, we have like 3 minutes to wait and see what the news is gonna do. We're gonna need to change these M1 brakes and stuff. We got a lot of them to change, bro. Just have like more of a cleaner chart, you know? Wait for the news. Ability of these, put them 5 minutes. News release, let's see how it goes. Getting bullish reaction. Unemployment claim is still pending. They expect it to be 230. And it's less than that, bro. I mean, it's actual less than forecast is good for the currency. But that's greater. Spot for the dollar in it. Yeah, shit, we're not getting a bearish reaction. Let's just see how it goes. Visibility be 5, bro. Yeah, below both of them. You just said it. What do we have on NQ? NQ is mainly traded doing New York, so yeah. All you can see is that we run Asia high. It's the only thing we have so far. So we run Asia high, and then now we are trending down. No raid, no trade. Are we supposed to trade today as there is our impact news? Bro, those are old days, bro. Those a long time ago. You need the news. When like when you just started learning how to trade, everyone tell you, oh, don't trade and right before the news day. It's bullshit, bro. Without the news, there's no real volatility in the market. You get me? And they word it wrong because don't trade at the open of the news. Better you say that than don't trade at news day. Like, what the hell? You get me? Yeah, wait and see as you're running below midnight open. But I told you that trading is all you're doing is sitting and waiting. You get me? That's all you're doing, bro. Sit on your hands and wait, bro. We have the high of the day. We have previous day high. Did you take it? Previous day high taken during the London session. And where is the low? The low is down here at the demand. So yeah. By the looks of it, we ran Asia high. We took previously high. Yeah, now we are just selling off. You get me? Previously high, change of character, mitigation, run below, break of structure again, mitigation, respecting, now targeting this flow. Clearly, all the flow is being respected. Clearly, all the flow is being respected, bro. I do expect this to be taken out, being that now sellers are in control and we know buyers entered there. Or we know that orders are there that looks to be tagged or filled. So yeah, got a Fair Value Gap right here. My take on it is I want to see proper low being taken, bro. Don't get me wrong, we can respect this Fair Value Gap, but how likely is this? Don't know. Based off the fact that we have more inefficiency below and we have a relevant load that led to relevant highs. Being that this is the load that actually led to this high, which was the previous high of the day, which got taken out today. So I'm convinced, see what's gonna happen. We already have one of the zones being now taken out. Yeah, if traders had entered here, they would have gotten take profit if they had like a 1 to 5. It's a very small zone, so stop loss below for like not 2 pips, but don't be a idiot. Like 3 pips, you get like 1 to 5, 1 to 6. See, literally 1 to 8, bro. Sure, man. 1 to 9. Tap and go 1 to 9 sniper entry from a decision on demand. You get me? Clean. So the guys who would have entered just before the session, bro. The hell? What the hell, bro? But yeah, this is we're not coming to the demand. I do expect this to be taken. Don't know what happened to the internet a while ago. Tripping on me, man. Tripping. But yeah, I do expect the London demand to be taken. At least if I take that and tap into the Fair Valley Gap, then it's a different story, innit? But I can't enter from. It's not enough justice, bro, to enter from there. See what these guys looking at. Like, bro, your Remy University and WWE is the best, honestly. Honestly speaking, looking at NQ, we took Asia high. So we have waiting on a proper displacement. Yeah, we took Asia high and whatnot, but preferably if you take Asia low now, then it's a different story. Because I do expect this supply to be taken out. Yeah, it's a valid supply, isn't it? Why? Despite it being an Asian supply, it's the high that led to this low we have down here. So this is just price completing the efficiency of the pullback. You get me? So maybe it's a case where we're just here and this is where the sells are gonna be. You know what I'm saying? And thing Giza. And see, bro, we made a change of character. We change, broke below change, price expecting. So we'll just waiting and see because this is a change of character right here. Valid change of character based off the M3. We have this low which we broke below. And then we respected the demand. I thought we induced it, but we didn't induce, we actually respected it. The supply. So supply being respected, literally, bro. And yeah, man, the rest is history. We have this inducement into the demand, into supply. Inducement into supply. Break below again. So now we have another supply that we're looking at, which is going to be this one right here. Valid as we do have a inefficiency at the area as well. RIFC. Now we have two supplies. Two supply zones, two valid ones as well. This is the one that made the change. You need to sell from. Mitigated. This one over there broke below. We have potential build up into liquidity, build up into an inducement, and yeah, you just watch, bro. Below, so we're currently bearish on the day, below the daily, just below midnight. Ending the stream at like 8, so can't stream any longer than that, unfortunately. But yeah, having the right bias, man. Loads of imbalance, bro. We just have to watch it, innit? That's all, bro. You have to watch. Can't do nothing more. Nothing more, nothing less, bro. Just watch. So yeah. TV ran down into payment. CP guy is the one from Asia, bro. You get me? Literally the only CP got, bro. Patient space, bro. You get me? Patient space, patient space. No sweep on NQ, bro. So I'm not even gonna look on NQ until like 8:30. Here, we induced respected the fair value gap, given a reaction. Maybe this is an N5 entry. Yeah. Top on the M5 to go. Top, push, get in a pullback, engulf candles, entry, surplus below the candles, 1 to 2, just like that. Entry like there, but nah, man, would I take this? I'm not gonna take this, bro. You mad, fam? Oh, you mad, fam? Bro, this might just be a fake reaction to induced traders, you know? So, why would I chase it? Here we have the fair value gap. Yeah, we run this demand eventually. Tapping into the gap and moving doesn't mean you're gonna go to the moon. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, market is doing its thing. Let's just get our journaling done, bro. You get me? Have to journal, bro. Always remember. So spare it, man, for a few minutes. You just get this out there. Today is the fourth, yeah. Yeah. Journaling, that's it. For now until later. These geezers ruining man's life, bro. You just wait. I'm not gonna buy from here. Yeah, my bias is bullish on that, but we haven't run the Asia low. 50% of Asia, not enough. Why? We have displacement below. Efficiency of the pullback as well, so I can't buy from here. In all honesty, bro. Best thing to do there is sell. Yeah, man, like this is what this thing called trading is about. It's not glitter and gold. You have to sit and wait and look at candlesticks, bro. That's all we're doing. Sitting and wait and looking at candlesticks. Not getting any bullish reaction from the area. I think 8:39 a.m. is when price is gonna actually reveal its hands. That's my take on it. You get me? X5 being bearish. No. Where did it tapped? Tapped into some form of fair value gap, that's all. So yeah. The high time frame, where is the X1? We were within a demand zone for sure. Change of character right there. So there's this low and this high. Higher, high low created a higher high. And we're within the demand. H4 might seems like it's bearish. It looks bearish. This is the low that led to the high, so we're still within the range. You get me? Yeah, like 30 minutes. Bro, we just play the waiting game, bro. Literally, fam. Sellers are in control. Price breaking, creating new lows. And yeah, ATM, really and truly gonna leave it here because no real entry. And yeah, short one. But so it is. You know, we got other stuff to do. Not a full-time traders yet. So unfortunately we can't stream longer than this. Inshallah tomorrow it will go longer. Maybe London. You never knows. But yeah, catch you lot in the next one. JB. Peace.